Hi, this is Karen. I'm at the Oceanside Inn in Daytona Beach, Florida. We're looking out from room 805 and 806. We've got our pool area and Daytona Beach. We've also got a view. If you look across, you can see the Halifax River in the distance. But nice location. They're renovating this whole building, so it's going to have new lobbies, new exteriors, whole new updated facelift. This first room has 2 double beds, small sitting area, your TV area, and you've got this little built-in kitchenette area that kind of hides away all your kitchen gadgets. You've got space for your microwave, space for your dishes. Got your refrigerator with a small freezer, drawers for utilities, and your trash area. That does close up if you want to hide everything and put the top down. Then you've got your standard double closet. But nice room, good space, just steps away from Daytona Beach. Then we go out to the adjoining room. This one also has 2 beds. We've got a small refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker, all the basics. Same style little sitting area. So we go around here. Now this one, instead of having your kitchenette, you've got an entertainment center. This also doubles as an armoire. So you've got a closet on either side, plus all your drawers. So plenty of room to hang up everything, store things without running out of space. They both have the same identical bathrooms, just basic beige tile, oversized subway tile in the shower area, and your little vanity. So if this is something you're interested in, give me a call. Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, 386-243-2000.